Hello Tech Sleuths, you're watching Mystery Curtain, your front row seat to cutting-edge reviews. In this episode, we'll peel back the layers of a brand new device to see what best $1,600 gaming laptops in 2025 with RTX 5060. Which one should you buy? In 2025, gamers looking to spend around $1,600 on a laptop have more options than ever before, thanks to NVIDIA's RTX 5000 series, particularly the RTX 5060. Mid-range gaming laptops are now capable of performance levels once reserved for flagship GPUs like the RTX 3080 and 4070. With advanced features such as DLSS 4.0 and multi-frame generation, the RTX 5060 can comfortably handle AAA titles at high settings, making it an exciting choice for gamers and creators alike. But with multiple models competing in this price bracket, which one offers the best balance of power, design, and features? Let's take a closer look at 4 standout contenders: the Asus ROG Strix G16, HP Omen 16, MSI Crosshair 16HXAI, and Lenovo Legion 5 2025. Asus ROG Strix G16 G615JHRS 5069W. Aggressive design, flagship-like specs. The Asus ROG Strix G16 has always been a staple in the gaming laptop space, and the 2025 edition is no exception. Sporting the Intel Core i7-14650HX, RTX 5060, 32 GB of RAM, and 1 TB SSD storage. Expandable to 2 TB, this laptop delivers excellent performance across demanding titles and multitasking workloads. Design-wise, the Strix G16 stays true to its gaming roots with bold accents, sharp edges, and RGB flair. Despite its powerful internals, it weighs only 2.5 kilograms, making it fairly portable for its class. The display is another highlight: a 16-inch IPS panel with 2.5K resolution and an impressive 240 Hz refresh rate. With 100% DCI-P3 color coverage and anti-glare coating, it's ideal not only for gaming, but also for basic creative work. The laptop also packs a 90 Wh battery with 140 W Type-C fast charging via Thunderbolt 4, giving users flexibility beyond the bulky default charger. HP Omen 16 AMO176 Texas BX9D3PA. Minimalist outside, power inside. If Asus embraces the gamer aesthetic, the HP Omen 16 takes the opposite route with a minimalist, understated design that could easily pass for a professional laptop. Don't let appearances fool you. Under the hood, it runs on an Intel Core Ultra 7 255H, paired with the RTX 5060. 16 GB RAM expandable to 64 GB, and 512 GB SSD expandable to 2 TB. Its 16-inch IPS LCD display offers WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, and a 165 Hz refresh rate. While not as sharp or fast as the Strix G16, it still provides smooth gameplay and accurate colors with 100% sRGB coverage. The audio, tuned by Bang & Olufsen, elevates the entertainment experience. The Omen 16 is slightly less impressive in terms of battery at 83 Wh, but it supports 100 W Type-C charging, making it flexible for mobile use. Overall, it's a sleek choice for gamers who want raw power without the flashy gamer design. MSI Crosshair 16HXI D2XWFKGO70VN. Performance first. MSI's Crosshair 16HXAI has earned a reputation for delivering some of the best specs in its class, and the 2025 model reinforces that image. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX and the RTX 5060, it provides some of the strongest performance among laptops in the $1,600 segment. The configuration includes 16GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, with expansion options up to 96GB RAM and 8TB storage, making it a future-proof investment. Its 16-inch QHD 2560 by 1600 display with a 240Hz refresh rate and 100% DCI-P3 coverage ensures buttery, smooth gaming and color-accurate creative work. Combined with strong thermal design and upgrade potential, the Crosshair 16HX is a beast for gamers who prioritize performance above all else. Lenovo Legion 5 2025, the OLED challenger. The Lenovo Legion 5 might not carry the same hype as Asus ROG, but it has built a loyal fanbase thanks to its balanced approach. The 2025 model introduces a 15.1-inch OLED display, a rarity in this price range. With 1000 nits brightness, 165 Hz refresh rate, and 100% DCI-P3 coverage, the display alone makes it stand out as the best option for visual fidelity. Under the hood, Lenovo equips it with an AMD Ryzen 7 260 RTX 5060, 24GB RAM, and 1TB SSD expandable to 2TB. At under 2 kilograms, it's also lighter than most competitors, making it surprisingly portable for a gaming laptop. The 80Wh's battery isn't groundbreaking, but with 140W Type-C charging support, it remains convenient for travel and everyday use. Verdict: which one should you choose? At around $1,600, all four laptops offer excellent value with the RTX 5060. But their strengths cater to different audiences. Asus ROG Strix G16, best for gamers who want high refresh rates, strong build, and maximum memory capacity. HP Omen 16A, clean, minimalist design, with solid specs at a slightly lower entry cost. MSI Crosshair 16HXi, the performance king, with unmatched CPU power and upgrade potential. Lenovo Legion 5 2025, the display leader, perfect for gamers and creators who value OLED quality. Ultimately, the MSI Crosshair 16HXi is the most powerful choice for pure performance, while the Lenovo Legion 5 stands out for its unique OLED display and lightweight portability. For gamers who want balance without compromise, the Asus ROG Strix G16 remains a strong all-rounder.